Friends, welcome to ARC Tutorials, your one-stop shop for all the tech hacks. Today we are bringing you an interesting hack, but before we do that, my request to you is please like, share and comment the tutorials and my channel to keep supporting me. Don't forget to subscribe, that's important. Alright, now let's move on to learning the hack, which is how do you make your videos private. So a lot of people have been asking me, hey, I have a lot of videos and how I want to make them private, so, which are some of which are very old. How do I do that? So this tutorial will show you how do you get any one more than one video selected and make them private. So let's get that going. So these are all the tutorials that I have uploaded. So let's, for example, I'll select few videos to show you. So select all the videos that you want to make them private. So when you make them private, it means that other people will not be able to search or access or view that content anymore. Currently they're all public, so if you make them private, you will not the others will not be able to see that those videos anymore. So be sure about this action when you move forward. So select the videos that you intend to make them private. You can select multiple and you can see under actions, you can see private option. So what this means is you can select the videos and clicking on private will make them private, which means all of them you are about to update 4 videos and it will tell you that the time. Understand that, so you be sure, so it's a kind of a confirmation that YouTube wants you to do and take a sound decision to make them private or not. So once you do that, click on I understand that I can't undo or cancel this update. Click on yes, submit once you're sure about making any of your videos private. Now your question would be, will I be able to make them public again? Yes, you will be able to update the videos again public at later point of time. So let me undo this now, undo the selection. All right, so if you see, you can also change any of these videos to private mode anytime. You can just go to the edit of the screen, click on private. So this way all your this video will become private, and click on save, select private and click on save. It says only you can view. So when you say public, it will say also share on tutorials or add a message to video. So you can do all of that and click on save and it will become private. So this is how you can make any of your videos uh, public or private irrespective. So make sure you make all select all the videos that you want from your video manager and click on private under actions, so that way it will give you option to add it to private. All right, so this was a cool hack today that we saw. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like the tutorials. Thank you so much friends for watching.